Number 6. Final game. Score 2-0 in favor of Team A. Final game na final. So, pangalawa. 14 seconds to shoot. Come on, Steven, Mabala, 4-0. 4-0. 13 minutes and 47 seconds. You are the good in by Javier, in by you are. And you play the good number 5. What's your shot, number 6? Google number 6. It's in by number 5. Number 5, now pass to 17. The good number 5. Javier. Power rebound by Javier. 13 minutes. Palawan. Jadi Palawan score 6-0. To boy. Good. 6-0. Boy. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 5, step up 2. No good. Rebound by Yuma. Pull up 2. No good. Rebound by Boy. Stop up to number 5. Stop up to Boy. Score! Easy. And you play down the five. Very good. 6-4. In favor of the team A. Yeah, Steven Mabo. Number 6, pull up 2. Go to the game, number 5. Yuma. Good set. It's blue. Paulo, Yuma. 8-4. Number 6. Number 6. Number good. Remove by. Out of bounds. Boy, with the team B. Score 8-4. All 6. All 6. And we play now. Taking number 6, Javier. Exactly 11 minutes. Yuma, take over. Follow Yuma. Super. Game 3. By Baby. To number 6. Good ball, take it 3. Very good, 3-5. 26, pero ball stays with Ime. Alright, 10 minutes and 39 seconds. Score 8-6 in favor of Kim. First number, number 3, by Yuma came with the top. Paulo, Yuma. And 6. Javier pa rin. 10 seconds to shoot. Straight number, Mabala. Kumon. Steven, Mabala. Boy. Wala, rebound by. Number 17, wala pa rin. Rebound ni number 17. Wala, 8 lang. 9 minutes and 46. No good, we go by. Number 6 again. 2 boys again. Kabalitan natin yung ito kay Boko. Number 3. Out of bounds. Goal, stay, speed. Easy. Goal, 10-8. 9 minutes and 24. Eman, no good, they go by. Number 17, no good pa rin, hindi mo kayo provide sa ilalim. Foul. Foul by jersey number 6. Last possession before change. Last possession before change. Last possession na po yan. Taking 3, no good. Team by number 6 pa rin. To number 17, change score ka po. Change score. Basket by number 17. No good, team by number 6 to the goal sa ilalim. Kumang bola, no good, team by number 8. Rotate, ang mga kalamangan. Good ball. 8 minutes and 20. 13 seconds to shoot. Good ball. Begitu lanjut, sampai mabola yang itu, mabola menuju di bawah, number 6, to number 5, di bawah number 17, two, sampai 17, 48, 17 and 54. 9:49. Right up by number 2. Di ba by Pomez? Kapitol pa ba tayo? Right up by number 5. Logo di ba by Boy? Sa ilalim. Boy, take it easy. 16-8. 8.85. Easy. 30 seconds. Shoot. Alright. Para wala masuk ang bola sa ilalim dapat 4 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds, 53, no good, good ball. Boko, to number 5, 25, no good, 3 ball by Javier. How are you by Javier? Javier, 25, wala, 3 ball by Fortes. 7 minutes exactly, 10 seconds to shoot. To Boko, taking 3, no good, 3 ball by Concepcion. 6 minutes and 51. Go to Bayan, go to Bayan, Cortez. Number 5, wala, ito 5, mabola. 6 minutes and 36 seconds. Para mo kayo mabola, lumipad na. 2 boys. 6, wala. Wala. 6 minutes and 23. 16-10. Cortez, block pass to number 17. Straight shot, no good. Out of bounds. 16-10. Lamang kayo na ani. 16-10. 6 minutes and 4 seconds. Five minutes and 57 seconds. Oh no, boys! Good control, number 6. 5 minutes and 48, 18, 12. Tama. 18, 12. Basket 5. Let's go. All along, taking 3. No good. Number 5. Number 5 sa ilalim. Isang pala number 17. 9 seconds to shoot. Taking 3. Eman, Cortez. 21, 12. 5 minutes and 15. Palaron. 9 seconds to shoot. Palaron. Foul. Foul by jersey number jersey number 29, Emma Cortez. 7 minutes and 52. Three! President number 6. The boy, no good. Rebound by Steven. 21-15. 6.3 by Steven. Javier, tuvo el interés, doble para el rebound by position number 3. 3! Position number 6, ready on 80, 3.8 na lang, 1 minute and 15 seconds. Ready on 80, 10 seconds to shoot, on 5. Dapat si Boy, doble pa rin, rebound by, bubble run, Good ball, and stopped by Evan. Intercepted by Boy, look at that. Wow. Foul by jersey number 6. First personal foul. 3 minutes and 14 seconds. 21-18. 21-18. 9:54. Sakto. Very good. Rebound by Amora. To the line. Short cover. Two boys. Amora. 21-20. Short cover by number 17. Two boys. Number 17. 3.8. 3 minutes and exactly 3 minutes. Isa lamang. Lawas mo. Ay, basta. 2 minutes and 38 seconds remaining. 23-22. 1.8 by Team B. 1.8 by Team B. Two boys. Emma. 25-22. 2 minutes and 32 seconds. 3.8 by TV. 9 seconds to shoot. Shot number 6. No good team on by. Position set up 3 again. No good team on by. 17. Number 17. Looking back down. Two boys. Number 17. 5.8, 27, 22. 15 seconds to shoot. Last 2 minutes. No good team on by. 10 seconds. Step up, link of ball. No good. We have a position. 2, 1. Good ball. 5. Position. Wala looking number 5 sa ilalim. Number 5. Good ball. 29-24, 5-point lead, 1 minute and 37 seconds. Position to the top, boys! Position number 6, 1 minute and 28 seconds. 3.8 by Indy, 29-26. Number 5, moving on. Wow! Wow, by jersey number 6 again. 1 minute and 17 seconds. 29-26. Emma Cortez, long 3. Emma Cortez. 32-26. Last 1 minute. 10 seconds to shoot. Pamaling kaya. No good. 3-5. Pangalawa. No good. 3-5. Emma. Taking 3. No good. Good ball. 49 seconds. Looking at the net. Two balls by number 17. 24-26. Javier. Two balls. Javier. 36 seconds. 70 seconds to shoot. Number 5. Still the kick. Out of bounds. 29 seconds. 34-28. 34-28. 15 seconds to shoot. 28 seconds left. Shoot ball. 15 seconds to shoot. No good. Even one. Palawan. 2 Palawan. 60 seconds left. 2 points. Palawan. 10 seconds. Shot clock. Still.